Hi everyone, so I am back again today with another video. This time I'm showing you how I prep my nails for a fill or any type of color manicure, like a gel manicure color. I'm just going to be removing my previous set. First, I have to set the vibes by finding a YouTube video to watch while I do this. So I'm going to go in with my Sky drill. I really like the drill, but I'm kind of having some issues with it, so I might be switching. But I'm just taking my Erica ATA Safety Smooth Top Barrel bit, and I'm going to be removing all the previous color and bulk from my last set. I like this bit a lot. It's actually kind of old. I actually need to get a new one because it's not removing as fast as I usually would like it, but on myself, I don't care. I kind of take my time. If I'm at the salon, I would bump up the speed a little bit. I think I'm probably using it at like a 18 at the moment, but if I'm at the salon, I might do like a 23. I like that it has a safety top, so if you're nervous about going near the cuticle, you don't really have to be because it's not really going to cut you. But this is about 3 weeks grown out, so I'm not very close to the cuticle at all. So the downfall of watching a YouTube video, I got distracted and I drilled a little bit too much into my nail, so don't be like me. Also, if you're interested in the color I'm wearing at the moment, you see it's a really pretty like galaxy rainbow color. It's from LEAFGEL. It's one of the Kai colors. I will link it down below. I really like it. It's really pretty. I got so many questions and compliments at the salon about what color I was wearing. And it's from Zillaboo, so I will link it down below. So when I'm removing bulk, I just kind of like to look at all different types of angles to make sure I'm not removing too much at one side. I also have a Cocoist purpley Nail Thoughts berry base underneath. So if my nails look a little bit like they're tinted with a little bit of purple, that's probably why. So I'm gonna go in with my cuticle pusher. You can see that's why I like to kind of double base because accidents happen, you know. I don't like to do that, but on myself it's okay. So I did have a cuticle pusher from Erica ATA and it was totally perfect. I loved the shape of it. It kind of looked like a horseshoe shape. Because I have pretty small nails, my cuticles are a little narrow, and you'll see I'm going to use a cuticle pusher that's a little bit too big. I can't find where I put my Erica's cuticle pusher. I'm really upset, but I'm just kind of cleaning up my nail, get rid of that dust so I can get a better look at my cuticles. You can see it's a little bit too wide, it's too big. You're just gonna gently push back your cuticle. Even alongside those lateral folds. Before I go in with any cuticle bits, I just like to prep that new growth with my file, and I'm gonna go in and reshape and just file off really gently any lifting and make it kind of smooth. I like to finish file after I drill just to make sure everything's pretty even. This is a LEAFGEL file. I really like them. They are a little bit pricey, so I kind of only use them on myself. I like to treat myself with a really nice file. Definitely recommend trying them out. There's a trial pack of them on Zillaboo. I would recommend just purchasing it. It's pretty inexpensive, and you kind of get like a feel of the files. I don't use a new file on myself every single time just because I don't want to waste anything, so I keep my own set of personal files I only use on myself. I'm gonna go in with my Erica's ATA bits. I'm gonna grab my micro taper and my refine ball. Sometimes I like to do a Russian manicure and get really detailed with my cuticle work, but honestly, when I was filming this, it was pretty late and I was tired. So when you're using cuticle bits, you want to keep it pretty parallel to your nail and just go really gently, passing over a few times in one direction and pull the skin back a little bit to get a better angle inside the cuticle. I like to use this bit at probably around 12 RPMs. You want to make sure you don't go too high with the speed and put too much pressure on the nail, or you will get those rings of fire. This is definitely my favorite cuticle bit. I think it works really well on most of my clients. It gets the job done. If you only want to use one cuticle bit during your service, I would definitely recommend this one in fine. It gets into that pocket really nicely. And so I'm gonna go in with this refine ball. This definitely had a little bit of learning curve that I needed to learn how to use it, but if you go on Erica's ATA's YouTube channel, she has a lot of videos showing you how to do a dry manicure, and she'll explain how to use this, and even on her Instagram, so I definitely recommend following. So you don't want to go actually on the nail plate with this, you just want to go over the where like your cuticle would be after you use any cuticle nippers or using any other cuticle bits. You just want to place it really gently. I'm getting rid of any like callous skin. This will help prevent any like hangnails. If you like really detailed cuticle work, I definitely recommend this bit. I use it in forward and reverse. So after that, I'm just gonna get a closer look at my cuticles, and if I need to nip any big chunks or any cuticle, I will do that with my nippers. I really don't like to overcut. It looks like I'm like really ripping it, but I promise I'm not. You want to use your cuticle nippers and kind of pull them towards you, not pull them at a direction, or you will definitely cut or rip the skin. So once that's done, that's really my prep routine for myself or most of my clients whenever I'm doing a gel service or a dry manicure service. So I'm just cleaning up with alcohol, and then you can just follow up with any of your primers or bonders. Let me know if you guys like the video, and please keep on watching, subscribe, and like and comment. Thanks, guys.